Welcome to LMC. Today we're taking a look at this Toyota Prius Plus XL TSS edition. It's got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and is on 24,199 miles. Now this is slightly bigger as your normal Prius. It can seat up to 7 people. Finished off in this nice, really deep blue colour. As you can see, you've got the hybrid badges on the arches. Nice Toyota wheels. And you've got LED front lighting and daytime running lights. Now the front is all but the same as a normal Prius. As we make our way around the back, you can see it's extended. Sticks out a bit more. You've also got a lip spoiler on the top of the boot lid. Nice big bright rear lights. Now taking a look in the boot. At the moment it's configured to seat 7 people. But you can simply fold these seats down. And you can see there how big the boot can be. To pull them up, simply pull the cord and they lock into place. Inside it's nice and spacious, you've got a lot of leg room. You've got a cup holder in the back of the centre console as well. All your window controls on the door card, as well as automatic lighting on the left stick. And you've also got a push to start. Now your instrument cluster is in the middle of the dashboard with your speed on the right and your parameters in the middle. You've got steering wheel controls on either side, and in the centre you've got a screen which features maps and navigation as well as radio. You've got aux connectivity, as well as Bluetooth and CD and USB as well. Now you've also got Bluetooth connection for your phone. If I put the car into reverse, brings up a nice clear reversing camera. Below this you've got the climate controls. You've got heated seat controls just down the bottom there, and a nice tall centre console with the armrest built in with a cup holder. You've got the option to go full electric mode or switch back to eco. You've also got a little bit of storage under the armrest. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.